Today we're going to talk about how to change your hours by any specific day. The first thing you're going to do is actually go to your business hours, change your weekly business hours, and remove all of these set time frames and hit save. Then you're actually going to go over again back to your business hours, change your hours by day, go to the calendar and choose the actual time frame that you're wanting to adjust. So here we're going to open up June 22nd. We're going to open up the 25th and a little bit on the 27th and hit done. If you go to your online booking page and refresh, you're going to see here the 22nd, the 25th, and the 27th. So if you go to the 22nd and you just want to share that specific date, you actually go up here and you will copy that link and you can share that specific date with those that are looking for that particular event.